If you want to delete your YouTube history, then keep watching the video till the end. Firstly, open your YouTube. Now at the bottom right corner, click on your profile picture. All your watch histories will be displayed in the first section. If you want to delete any of your watch histories, just click on this three-dot icon. And now at the bottom side, there is an option, remove from watch history. If I click here, the watch history is deleted. If you have so many watch histories and source histories, and if you want to delete them in just a click, you have to follow a few more steps here. Now look at the top right corner, here is a setting icon. Just click there, and now you get an option, manage all history. So click here, and now see, all your source and managed histories will be displayed here. If you want, you can delete any particular source or watch histories just by clicking on this cross mark in the right side. But if you want to delete all your source and watch histories in just a click, just click on this delete option, and now you get three more options here. If you select delete today, only your today's record will be deleted. And if you select the middle option, delete custom range, you will be asked to select your time period to delete your data. And if you select delete all time, all your lifetime source and watch histories will be deleted. And now just before deleting all your YouTube histories, you can see a preview here. Just click on preview more. And now if you want to really delete all your histories, then click on delete. All your YouTube histories will be deleted in just a click. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like, and if you want to watch more of these kind of helpful videos, then do subscribe the channel. And if you are watching us on Facebook, then do follow the page right now.